Welcome to all in SU Union High School and Junior College. Today we are going to see Standard 7 Subject Computer Lesson number 2, Sorting and Filtering Data in MS Excel. Lesson 2. This chapter includes sorting of data, filtering of data, and conditional formatting of data. In the sorting of data, sorting rearranges the given data into a specified order is called as sorting of data. We can arrange data ascending order or in descending order. There are two sorting orders for numbers. First is ascending order, means small to big numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and second is descending order, means big to small numbers, means 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. There are two sorting orders for words and alphabets also. First one is ascending order, words or alphabets starting with the letters A, B, C, D till Z, and descending order, words or alphabet starting with the letters Z, Y, X, W till A. Even we can sort the mixed data also into the ascending order and descending order. Mixed data means they can contain numbers as well as alphabets. So this type of data is called as alphanumeric data. Only numbers data means called numeric data, and only alphabets or words data is called as text data. So sorting is one of the most powerful feature of MS Excel. By using we can sort data in ascending order and descending order. Let us take one example. If we have the marks of English, Science, Maths, Social Studies and Sanskrit with their totals of 10 students of the class 7, and we want to sort the data as to arrange the names of students as per the total marks obtained by them in descending order, means total marks want in big to small order. So steps to do it are type data, select data or a group of data is called as range, select sort and filter button, then click on custom sort, then select total option in the sort by box, then select largest to smallest option in order box, and then click on OK. Let us see the required data we type for the 12 students for their marks obtained in English, Science, Maths, Social Studies, Sanskrit, and we find out the total. Now this total we want in descending order. For this we have to select the data by clicking on serial number, then press and hold shift key of the keyboard, and then diagonally opposite number, that is 200, that we going to click by the mouse, and then we select the group of data as per shown here by using gray color for the selection, and this data we have to sort it as per the total marks big to small. Now click on sort and filter button, then in this we have to click on custom sort, then we get a dialog box. In this we get the three boxes: sort by box, sort on values, and order box. we have to click the arrow right by serial number. Then we have to select total option. That column gets selected for the sorting. Then we have to select order option. In this order option, we have to select largest to smallest option. Then we have to click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, we get the totals in descending order, means bigger number first and the smaller number last. Now Kamal is the first and Piyush is the last. So we can find Kamal get more marks and her rank is first, and Piyush get less marks and his rank is last. This is called sorting in the descending order as per the total marks. Now we going to see filtering of data. Filtering of data means we can see or filter only that data as we are required. It means that filtering selectively block out the data that we don't want to see and only required data to display on the screen as per our need. Let us take one example. Suppose from this data we want to display the list of students, those who get 34 marks in English, and hide the names of remaining students. Then for this purpose filter get used. Now the steps for doing it are: select data, click sort and filter button, then click on filter option, then click on drop down arrow of English subject. Then you have to click on select all to remove all the check marks. Then click on checkbox in front of 34 marks and then finally click on OK button. Then we will get the list of students, those who get 34 marks. Let us see one by one all the steps. First, select the group of data, then click on sort and filter button. In this we going to click on filter. Then we will get the filters everywhere in front of the headings. Then we click on the English drop down arrow. Then we get the list of English marks. In this we click on the select all button to remove all the check marks in front of all the marks, and then we have to click on the 34 number. Then the check marks will come in front of 34 number. Then these 34 marks will be selected from this list of all students, and only those who get 34 marks in English, that will be displayed on the screen, and hide the remaining data of the students. This is called as filtering of data. Now we want to display all the data again. Then we have to click on the English drop down arrow, and then we select or click on select all button to get check marks in front of all the numbers or marks. Then we click on OK. Then we get the previous list as we type for all the 12 students. Now we are going to see conditional data formatting. In this feature, according to the condition, we can format our data as per our need. It means that we can change the color of number, text or background color of the box as per our condition. Let us see what are the steps for doing it are type the data, select data or range of data means group of data which is required. Click on conditional formatting, then click on highlight cell rules, then we have to select greater than condition, then we have to type number in the condition box, then we have to select the pattern light red field with dark text, and then finally click on OK button. Suppose I type this data of 12 students getting the marks in the subjects, and I want to show the marks which are greater than 44 in red color and with the background light red. For do this, first thing we have to select the only marks, then we click on conditional formatting. In this we have to click on highlight cell rules, then we have to click on greater than option. When we click on the greater than option, we getting the dialog box. In this condition box we have to type 44, then we have to select the condition light red field with dark red text, then we getting the red color to the numbers which are greater than 44 and light red color to the background of that numbers. Now suppose I want another color combination. For this I have to click on the drop down arrow of the condition. There we have to click on custom format. When you click on the custom format, we get the dialog box. Then from this dialog box we have to click on the font. Then in the font color we have to select the red color, then we have to click on the fill tab. Here we have to select the yellow color, then we have to click on OK, and then we get the red color to the marks greater than 44 and yellow background to them whose marks are greater than 44. In this way we can use conditional formatting, filtering of data and sorting of data. Thank all of you.